How to contact PayPal customer support. Are you guys facing issues to contact PayPal's customer support? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here. Just scroll down and click on Message Center. After you click on it, tap on Ask PayPal Assistant. After you click on it, write down your issues over here, whether it's about your account, password, or email. Once you write it down, they will assist you. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna contact our customer support on PayPal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.